Om Shanti everyone, welcome to the Murli for the 14th of May 2024. It's nearly the half of May, because May doesn't really have a half, 31 days. Tomorrow you could consider a half, or the day after. Because the day after it'll be 1 day more. So the essence. Sweet children become soul conscious. I am a soul, not a body. This is the very first lesson. Teach this very well. So, in the question and the answer, it actually says how to explain it. So I'll just say why is it? Because basically, the start of the transformation, the start of before you can do proper knowledge, before you can do proper service, the remembrance, and the thing you have to do is to become soul conscious. Move all your attachments away. That's the very first step you should do. Because otherwise, anything else you try to do in service, you won't be able to do it correctly or very well. So this is the first lesson. Everyone should know this as first topic. First explain a bit what the soul is, and then we are the soul, and then do the electricity explanation. So there's electricity that runs a fan or just something electric. Yes, electric sparks just make electricity, but I think that's actually the sparks, not the electricity. So you can't see electricity, but you still have proof it's there. Similarly, you can't see the soul. So if you can have proof for electricity, why can't you have proof for the soul? And we always say my body, my hand. But if we are the body, why wouldn't we say my body? That's why we are the soul. That's why, and this is the most important lesson out of all the knowledge. Teach this lesson very well. So now's the blessing. And just quickly, I'll just say one point how to make it, because usually the question and the answer these days, they're a bit hard. Ever since I started real question and the answer. So basically you have to express it with happiness and not in a boring way. So the blessing, this is actually very confusing, but I'll explain it to you. May you be a spiritual star of knowledge and make this night in today like becoming a companion of the sun of knowledge and the moon of knowledge. So some of you might know the sun dynasty, golden age. So you might think, why would you become a companion of the moon of knowledge? Basically it's Shiv Baba, but basically it means you can support him in 2 times, the night and the day. Become a companion of him so you can learn the knowledge. And then become a spiritual star, a person who wanders. A person who just observes Shiv Baba. Of knowledge, a very bright and pure star, that's why there's a star. And make this night. So usually the color representing the iron age is grey, dusty, black. But the golden age is sun, bright. And the sun usually means the color of happiness, and grey means dull, annoying, bad. So that's why you have to make this night into day. And you can't do it like in 1 day, but imagine it's about to be night a few hours later, or maybe if you watch this Murli before you sleep, maybe a few hours. If you watch it when you just wake up, maybe another 12 hours, and then you go to sleep. But then you're like, okay, I woke up the next day. Let's see if I did the transformation. No, night and day means transform all this negative world into pure. But you can't do it alone. Just as those stars come out at night, in the same way, you spiritual stars of knowledge, you sparkling stars, come. So the thing is explaining you as very pure and nice stars come out in the night of Brahma. Those stars do not make it into day. Do not make night into day directly, but they become companions of the sun of knowledge, and the moon of knowledge. So basically, I already explained the sun of knowledge and the moon of knowledge. If I can find more information one day, or if this topic comes up, maybe I can tell you a bit more. So, man, make this net today. Those are stars of the sky, and you are stars of the earth. So those are stars of the sky, but you will be bright and pure in the earth. That is the authority of matter, and you are godly stars. Yes, there are many types of sparkling stars visible, like the Milky Way, the Sun. There are many types of sparkling stars visible in the physical galaxy. In the same way, you are the sparkling spiritual stars in this galaxy of God. So the slogan, to even have a chance of doing service means to fill your apron with blessings. So apron is basically something you wear, not only for cooking, also for doctors. Remember I told you, I think this was even in February or maybe in somewhere in March. I definitely said about aprons before. So it basically, so doctors think they have many pockets, so fill all your empty holes in your body, well, your soul, with good vibrations, and that is to have a chance to do good service. To have a chance to do service is to means to fill your apron with blessings. That is what it is to have a chance to do service. So you have to do service as well to fill your apron with blessings. Or one of the most simplest, give good vibrations. So the question and the answer. It's the moment we've been waiting for the answer of how to do the thing in the essence. What is the way to relate this knowledge? What message should you use to relate this knowledge? So what message should you use to tell this knowledge to everyone? Okay, I know it's not exactly about the become soul conscious, but it's basically how to express knowledge. Speak of the things of knowledge in great happiness, not as a compulsion. So not as necessary, I have to do it everything well. Think it as a happiness, a nice doing. Sit together and discuss this knowledge among yourselves. Do you follow it first? That's the thing. Because if you follow it and you say it to everyone, other people might even follow you. Churn this knowledge, then relate it to others. So relate this knowledge to everyone else as well. If you consider yourself to be a soul, then relate knowledge to other souls. So relate everyone with their true being, their true knowledge. Those who listen to you will also have happiness. Not only will you fill your apron pocket with blessings, but the other person will get happiness. And if you become friends, yay, you made another friend in the golden age. So it's good if you help your brother souls. Yeah, that was the correct word. To learn the knowledge that they once forgot because of the evil Maya and Ravan. So, and you have to relate it to them, and then you'll have many friends in the golden age as well. So, Om Shanti everyone, that's all for today's Murli. I know you might have found it a bit confusing and a bit fun, but mostly I hope you enjoyed it. And today's Murli, especially the blessing, was complicated, and I will try to get you some more information. The moon of knowledge and the sun of knowledge. But thank you for listening. Om Shanti.